Hi everyone, it's Susie here from ACR Training. I'm sure you would have all noticed the new invoice maintenance update. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to complete a search. So you'll go to your menu and open up invoice maintenance. And for example, if I wanted to find invoices for my petrol station customers this month, it's as easy as typing petrol into that global search field and hitting enter. Done. That easy. The returned results will be a list of any exact match to the word you entered into that search bar. Now, the beauty of the update is you can then further refine your search using the filters 1 and or 2, or you can perform a multi-search. But I'll cover those off in an upcoming video, so keep your eyes out. I hope you like the new invoice maintenance, and thank you for watching.